Hi, this is Gakio. In this channel, I can show you the latest Japanese news. So today's topic is shogi, which is Japanese chess. Now, shogi is getting famous because we got a very youngest strong player. His name is Sota Fuji. He is still 19 years old, but he became the youngest player to reach to the highest rank on the shogi. Then as a result, before shogi's fun was really limited. However, now a lot of general TV program has his story that attracted new fans. After the latest victory, he said, "The most important things for me is how strong I can become." Ooh, cool! See you tomorrow.